All right, guys, it's Friday. You know what that means. Another episode of Rad Race Parts. This episode of the Fab Forums is brought to you by Kill Fab Clothing Company. Find all the latest Fab Forums merch at killfab.com. All right, so this one is kind of a revisit from something I've done in the past, a rad race part that I've done in the past, and that is from Street Carr Fabrication. Did an episode a while back on this beaut right here. So some of you may remember this. This is a billet transition piece. This particular one's made out of aluminum. He also makes them out of stainless. Very, very nice piece. Just jewelry. Anyway, as you can see, I mean, it's just a really, really, really nice piece. So much so that it comes in this nice box here. So the piece that I'm going to show you today is also from Street Carr Fabrication, and it is a billet turbo flange. So this is obviously made of stainless. The particular one that I requested is the one that kind of shows the tool path. I think you can get it either way. I just like this look. It just looks cool to me. Kind of, you know, just shows you the machine doing the work. And so this is an offset. This is a T6 flange here. With offset 2.5 inch piping inlets. Now these inlets are really nice because they have a little step in there, and we'll take some stainless. This one is not quite perfectly round, so it kind of snaps in, just like that. But it is a good, nice, tight fit. Good for, you know, welding that stuff up. And then if you look on the inside, the transition is just beautiful. Now, originally I got this part because I was planning on doing a turbo setup on the C10. I've since changed my mind, so not exactly sure where I'm going to use this, but rest assured it will get used. So as I mentioned in the last video, they make all kinds of inlets. You can get T4, T6, dual inlet, single inlet, you know, from 3 inch to 2, whatever you want, they got it. You basically can find all this stuff over on their website. They also make a bunch of other rad stuff, like this transition piece that I've shown you. If you want to go check out that video, I'll link it up. Let's just take a minute and revel in the beauty of this fine jewelry. So there you go, another rad race part from Street Carr Fabrication. If you're currently working on a very nice build, or you're going to do a really nice build, go check them out. Street Carr Fabrication, Carr, C-A-R-R, Street Carr Fabrication. They got everything you'll need to really step up your project. I mean, even where the studs go is all captured. It's all threaded. No visible holes on the backside. Put your studs in there, some nuts, you're ready to go. As you can see, his logo, very, very smart, considering that's how that's gonna sit on most projects. There it is, a little short rad race parts. Hope to bring you guys some more of these. Got some stuff lined up I think you'll dig. Go check them out. And I'll see you guys some more next week.